Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then feel free to check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the four-hour chart of gold USD. Yeah, gold ka chart है 4 घंटे का. And as we all know that war is still going on, but still we saw heavy sell-off on the chart of gold yesterday. Gold fell from 2055 level and right now trading at 1977. It was a huge fall, but keep in mind, my dear friends, the war is still not over. As I said, that this is a news-driven market, news sensitive market. So my dear friends, please be very careful, follow strict risk management and use proper stop loss. Trading in this market without SL is just like suicide. Don't commit that mistake. So gold lovers, let's look at the chart of DXY once. See, DXY also saw heavy sell-off yesterday, and right now we can see that DXY is trying to recover from this fall here. Right now trading at 98.12 and it made a high of 99.41. So today it will be very crucial for DXY whether DXY is able to hold this particular level or not. In case it goes down, then we will see some more recovery on the chart of Euro USD again. But if it bounces, then yes, there will be pressure on the other USD pairs. So be careful with the DXY chart. And just like the chart of DXY, similar situation is also there on the chart of gold USD. Okay, though right now it is trading at 1977, this level, but the important level, yes, the important level for gold is at 1960. Yes, abhi trade kar 1977, but important level is 1960. If it comes down to the level of 1960, it will be important for us whether market is able to hold the level or not. Okay, हमें देखना पड़ेगा market को पकड़ पाता है कि नहीं. If market bounces from the 1960 level, okay, you can go for a buy. Yes, obviously with stop loss, but yes, you can go for a buy if market bounces from 1960 level. But in case market fails to hold the level of 1960 and breaks the level, then it will be very dangerous for gold. You can take a sell position as well. And those who have been holding gold sell position, you at last you can smile. But yes, 1960 will be very important, not only because we have horizontal support, but we also have the additional confirmation from Fibonacci retracement. This is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So combining these two factors, 1960 is very important. If market bounces, well and good, go for a buy. But if market fails to take support and breaks, go for a sell. Okay, 1960, keep in mind. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, then 1995, yes, 1995 to 2000 will be very important. Why this level will be important? To understand the importance of this level, okay, I'll have to take you to the 15 minutes chart. Okay, because see, overall market is an uptrend because of the war, but yesterday what we saw, okay, this was something unbelievable. So if I just ask you, my dear friend, what is the present trend of the market here, then if we just look at this particular portion of the chart here, then there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend right now. Okay, overall because of war, market is an uptrend, that's a different chapter, but at this moment market is in, yes, downtrend. Okay, so if market goes up, then we will also have to observe the market at this moving average. See, I'm using 50 moving average. This blue line is the 50 moving average. You can also use it. 50 moving average is very useful. I use it. You can also use it. Okay, so if market reverses from the 50 moving average, because this is the dynamic resistance for the market. Okay, so if it reverses from the 50 moving average, we will get the understanding that yes, the temporary downtrend in the market is still present and we can go for a sell. Okay, so if market reverses from the 50 moving average, we can go for a sell. But on the other hand, if market breaks the 50 moving average also, then do not panic. Okay, the important level in this market is 1995 to 2000. Okay, this level will be very important because if the market is really in downtrend right now, okay, अगर market सही में downtrend में है फिलहाल, market should reverse from 1995 to 2000 level because of this. See, okay, so if market goes up from the present position, observe the market around this 50 moving average. If it reverses, well and good, you can take a sell position. If it breaks also around 1995 to 2000 level, there is another possible market reversing. If it reverses, you can go for a sell. But if market does not reverse and starts going up, then you'll get the idea that market is back in action again. The market is in uptrend and market is going up, because overall the war is still going on, and the market overall, if we judge technically, the market should be in uptrend. Okay, yes, there are some other factors also, but right now I do not want to stretch the video. Okay, so be careful, use proper stop loss. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.